Hey, I left a document on your desk. Can you check it before we start the meeting?
Sure, yeah, thanks. Could you run the details by me real quick?
Yeah, sure. Well, on page number 3, I changed the title.
Page 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, let me check it out. Oh yeah, this is way better than the last one.
Really? So it looks like we got feedback from our customer about our proposal.
Nice. How's it look?
They like Plan A, so...
Plan A.
Yeah, so let's arrange a meeting with them.
Great. Yeah, how about Friday?
Friday works for me, so check with them and let me know.
Okay.
Here's what we got so far. We're thinking of adding some market data on slide number 2.
Yeah, and we added some customer feedback, so we'll send you all the material over when the meeting's done.
Here's what we got so far. We're thinking of adding some market data on slide number 2.
Yeah, and we added some customer feedback, so we'll send you the materials over when the meeting's done.